Welcome to Vehicle Ground. Today, we're looking at a car that's caught the attention of many urban drivers and compact SUV enthusiasts, the Peugeot 2008. With its distinctive design, impressive technology, and compact size, the 2008 is ready to tackle both city streets and weekend adventures. But does it deliver on all fronts? Let's take a deeper dive into what this stylish SUV has to offer. Engine specs and performance. Under the hood, the Peugeot 2008 offers a range of engine options that suit a variety of driving needs. The entry-level 1.2-liter three-cylinder petrol engine delivers around 100 horsepower, which is more than enough for everyday city driving. For those who want more power, the 1.2-liter turbocharged engine cranks out 130 horsepower, offering a smoother, quicker drive with enhanced acceleration and performance on highways. If you're an eco-conscious driver, there's also an electric version, the e-2008, that offers 136 horsepower, providing a fun yet efficient drive with a range of about 200 miles on a full charge. Whether you choose petrol or electric, the Peugeot 2008 offers a smooth ride with good handling and precise steering that make it fun to drive and easy to park in tight spots. Interior and exterior design. The Peugeot 2008's exterior is a standout in the compact SUV category. Its bold front grille, sleek headlights, and angular body lines give it an aggressive and modern look that stands apart from other vehicles in its class. The compact size makes it perfect for city driving, while the elevated stance gives it the presence of an SUV without the bulk of larger models. Inside, the Peugeot 2008 continues its stylish design language with a well-crafted cabin that combines modern materials and comfort. The dashboard features Peugeot's signature i-Cockpit setup, which includes a compact steering wheel and a high-mounted digital instrument display, making it feel high-tech and futuristic. The seats are comfortable with ample space for front passengers, although rear seat space can be a bit tight for taller passengers. The boot offers decent cargo capacity for a vehicle of its size, and the 60/40 split folding seats provide flexibility for carrying larger items. Overall, the interior feels premium for a compact SUV and is designed with convenience and comfort in mind. Key features and technology. The Peugeot 2008 is loaded with tech features to enhance both the driving experience and comfort. The infotainment system comes with a 7-inch or optional 10-inch touchscreen, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can easily integrate your smartphone for music, navigation, and calls. The system is intuitive with quick response times and an easy-to-use interface. Higher trims offer additional tech features such as a digital instrument cluster, wireless charging, and a premium sound system. The 2008 also includes advanced driver assistance systems like lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, all of which add a layer of safety and convenience for everyday driving. Safety and fuel efficiency. Safety is a key focus in the Peugeot 2008, and it's been awarded high safety ratings thanks to its suite of airbags, stability control, and advanced safety technologies. The car's small footprint and elevated driving position provide excellent visibility, while the array of driver assistance systems offers peace of mind on the road. As for fuel efficiency, the Peugeot 2008 performs well across its engine range, with the petrol versions averaging around 40 to 45 mpg. The electric e-2008, on the other hand, offers great efficiency with zero emissions and a range of up to 200 miles on a full charge, making it a great option for urban and suburban drivers. Pros and cons. Pros: stylish, modern design with a bold, sporty look. Comfortable and well-equipped interior with high-quality materials. Excellent tech features including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced safety systems. A smooth and fun driving experience with good fuel efficiency. Available all-electric version with impressive range and zero emissions. Cons: rear seat space can be cramped for taller passengers. Boot space is adequate but not the largest in its class. The ride can be firm on rougher roads. The infotainment system may feel overwhelming to some due to the multitude of options. Ideal audience for this car. The Peugeot 2008 is ideal for city dwellers, young professionals, and small families that want the versatility of an SUV in a compact, stylish package. It's also perfect for eco-conscious drivers who want the option of a fully electric version without compromising on style or performance. If you're looking for a vehicle that delivers on both practicality and personality, the Peugeot 2008 is definitely worth considering. To sum it up, the Peugeot 2008 is an impressive compact SUV that offers a great balance of style, performance, and technology. Whether you're driving through city streets or embarking on weekend adventures, the 2008 provides a comfortable and efficient ride. With its bold design, modern features, and a choice of petrol or electric powertrains, it's a car that stands out in the crowded compact SUV market. If you're looking for a vehicle that delivers on both practicality and personality, the Peugeot 2008 is definitely worth considering.